The Univerco Rider Eye Onion Harvester is the most efficient solution for quickly harvesting hard, long-day onions. It excels in both dry and wet conditions, ensuring uninterrupted performance and reliability. This machine is engineered for rapid and effective harvesting, making it perfect for large-scale operations. The Rider Eye reduces the need for manual labor, boosting productivity and allowing farmers to complete their harvests more efficiently. Its robust construction and adaptability to various field conditions make it an essential tool for onion growers seeking to maximize their yield and streamline their harvesting process. The Univerco G-Force 2-row carrot harvester is designed for efficiency and versatility. Equipped with a 3-point hitch and automatic directional tracks, it eliminates the need to lift the machine when turning, allowing continuous operation in all field conditions. The harvester features a motorized track and an automatic proportional electro-hydraulic row finder with height control, ensuring precise and accurate harvesting. An integrated LCD screen provides real-time monitoring and adjustments for optimal performance. While primarily designed for carrots, this machine is also capable of harvesting other root crops, including beets, turnips, parsnips, and rutabagas. Its robust construction and advanced features make the G-Force 2-row carrot harvester a reliable and efficient solution for diverse agricultural needs. The Univerco Rider 2 is a highly efficient 2-row onion harvester, known for its superior performance and durability. It can handle up to 70 tons of onions per hour, making it ideal for large-scale harvesting operations. The harvester is designed with an ultra-strong construction to withstand rigorous use. Its simple and intuitive control panel ensures ease of operation, allowing users to quickly adapt and manage the machine effectively. The Rider 2 combines robust engineering with user-friendly features, making it an overnight success in the agricultural industry. The Univerco Commander IN3 are efficient 3-row broccoli harvesters designed for high productivity and precision. These machines feature robust construction and advanced technology, allowing them to handle large-scale harvesting operations with ease. The adjustable cutting heights and user-friendly interface make the Commander series versatile and straightforward to operate, accommodating various broccoli varieties and field conditions. With a focus on durability and ease of maintenance, these harvesters ensure minimal crop waste and reduced labor costs. The Univerco Commander IN3 are ideal for commercial broccoli producers seeking to optimize their harvesting process and enhance overall operational efficiency. G3 PRO carrot harvester is designed for optimal efficiency and ease of use. With harvesting speeds ranging from 1.8 to 6.2 miles per hour, 3 to 10 kilometers per hour, it features both horizontal and vertical electronic translation of the picker for precision. Its 30 inches wide conveyor can be folded for transport, and the extended length allows access to the second row of boxes on trailers. The G3 PRO boasts increased productivity, a user-friendly control panel, and a variety of options, including an automatic row finder and height control for full automation. The Univerco cabbage and broccoli harvester, Commander I, stands out due to its ability to gently harvest crops, making it ideal for both long-term storage and fresh market distribution. Its precisely designed picker ensures an adjustable cut, resulting in a higher quality final product. This harvester is suitable for cabbage and broccoli and can replace 15 to 20 field workers, significantly increasing efficiency. It operates without damaging the crops, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity and market value of the produce. Additionally, the harvester offers different conveyor types tailored for long-term preservation and immediate fresh market needs. The one-row onion digger by Univerco is a highly efficient and durable agricultural machine designed for gentle handling of onions. Since 1988, Univerco has been refining these diggers to cater to various market needs, offering models with mechanical, hydraulic, or gearbox options. When selecting a digger, it's crucial to consider factors such as soil type, onion varieties, and acreage. Univerco's experts are available to assist in choosing the best model for specific requirements. The company's commitment to modernizing its onion windrowers ensures that users benefit from both efficiency and delicacy, making them a trusted choice for onion farmers. Univerco's vegetable wash line is a comprehensive processing solution for field-harvested vegetables. This system begins with a sorting table, followed by a brushing table to clean the produce. An air dryer and sponge dryer ensure thorough drying before the vegetables reach the rotating packing table. Throughout this process, boxes are packed, sealed, and placed on pallets, all while the harvester continues moving. This efficient and integrated approach ensures that vegetables are clean and ready for market right after harvest, streamlining operations and maintaining high quality. Univerco's Harvest Aid is a versatile solution, custom designed to meet the specific needs and realities of each client. This adaptable tool is suitable for harvesting a wide range of vegetables, enhancing efficiency and productivity across various agricultural operations. By providing tailored designs, Harvest Aid ensures optimal performance, making it an invaluable asset for farmers. Its user-friendly and robust construction allows for seamless integration into different farming environments, ensuring that each client's unique requirements are met with precision and reliability.